Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the case study in another chapter, that is organizing. The first question, Roasted Coffee Corporation is a coffee house chain operating in 7 states of India. Through its effective organizational structure, it has grown despite pressure from the competitor in the national market. The company has a purchase and productions department, supply chain management, logistic department, brand management department, and sale department. This structure has facilitated operational efficiency and employee become a specialist with their own remit of the expertise. They could be imparted specialized training as the focus was on limited range of skill. Identify the organizational structure of Roasted Coffee Corporation. Also state the three advantages of this structure other than those discussed in the above paragraph. The answer for this question is the functional structure is being followed by the Roasted Coffee Corporation, and the three advantages of this structure other than those discussed in above paragraph are: due to the similarity in the task being performed, it promote control and coordinations within a department. B, it result in increased profit with the improvement in the marginal and operational efficiency. And C, it lead to the minimum duplications of effect and lead to economic of scale, thereby reducing cost. Next question, in Coco diversified its into several product line: telecommunication, engineering, financial service. Each subsidiary is self-sufficient with their own administrative functions, propagating their belief that people can assume the responsibility of the effective implementations of their decision and should be given autonomy. This has reduced the need of the direct supervision by superior, has promoted flexibility, integrity, and faster decision making. The order of customer are never delayed as a result of good policy decision of the top management. The questions are: identify, explain any 2 points of the importance of concept being discussed above, and B, name and brief explain the suitable framework for the company within a managerial and operationally tasks are to be performed. The concept of decentralization being discussed in the given case, decentralization refer to systematic dispersal of authority to the lower level except that which can be exercised as the central point. Develop identity among subordinate. It seek to develop identity in the subordinate by promoting self-reliance, confidence among them, as also help identify those executives who have to necessary potential to become dynamic leader. And develop marginal talent for the future. Develop marginal talent for the future by providing employee with the necessary training experience through the exposure of varied challenging job, and also facilitate identification those employee who may be those who may not be successful, assuming great responsibility. Consequently, the need for direct supervision is reduced. Here another question: Kiran Industry is a company dealing in office furniture. The company has chosen to diversify its operation to improve the growth potential and increase market share. As the project was important, many alternatives were generated for the purpose were throughout discussed among the member of the organization. After eliminating the various alternatives, Sukhvinder, managing director of the company, decided that they should add the home interior furnishing as new line of business activities. Name the framework which is diversified organizations should adopt to enable the cope with the emerging complexity, and state two limitation of this framework. The answer for is divisional structure should be adopted by the diversified organization to enable in its the cope with emerging complexity. Reason is that it lead to the faster decision, promote flexibility, and because each division function as an autonomous unit. And the two limitation of division structures are they may be conflict among the different division had as it pursued as higher profit is and the cost is high, is division provided with a separate set of simpler function.